YouTube Reused Content Policy Update July 15, 2025. On March 10, 2025, YouTube announced improvements to its reused content policy. These changes aim to provide more clarity and fairness, especially for creators using formats like commentary, clips, compilations, and reaction videos. Then on July 15, 2025, YouTube confirmed, there is no change to our reused content policy. This means the updated rules introduced in March are still in effect, and no further changes have been made since. But what exactly is reused content? It refers to uploading material from other creators without significant original contribution. This can include TV clips, other creators' videos, or compilations without commentary, editing, or transformation. To stay monetized, your content must add clear value, such as voiceover, storytelling, or edits, be transformative, not just repeated footage, and avoid being overly repetitive or spammy. So if you're a creator making reaction videos, compilations, or commentary, be sure you're adding your unique voice or creativity. This helps you stay compliant and stay monetized. Attention YouTube creators. As of July 15, 2025, YouTube confirmed no changes to the reuse content policy. That means reaction videos, compilations, and clips still need original value to stay monetized. Add your voice, commentary, editing, make it yours. Avoid raw re-uploads or repetitive mashups. Be creative, be transformative. Your originality is your monetization power. Stay smart, stay monetized. Thank you for watching, and to get more updates, don't forget to subscribe and hit notification button of our YouTube channel.